In this video, I start near Zhu Family Garden, one of the most famous historic sites in Jianshui Old Town. I don't enter the garden in this video, but even from the outside you can see why it is such an important landmark. Elegant old buildings, ponds, pavilions, carved wooden details, and the atmosphere of an old wealthy family residence from the Qing period. From there, I continue walking down the main street of Jianshui Old Town toward the large red gate tower, Chaoyang Tower, which looks almost like a fortress at the end of the street. This walk connects two of Jianshui's most recognizable historic areas, the refined courtyard world of Zhu Family Garden and the dramatic old city gate of Chaoyang Tower. As I continue down the main street of Jianshui Old Town, I arrive at Chaoyang Tower, or Chaoyang Lu, one of the great symbols of the city. It was built in 1389 during the Hongwu reign of the Ming Dynasty as the eastern gate tower of the old walled city. That makes it more than 600 years old, and it is often said to be older than Beijing's Tiananmen by about 28 years. Originally, Jianshui had several city gates, but over time most of the old walls and gates disappeared. The east gate, Chaoyang Tower, survived and became the most recognizable landmark of the old town. From a distance, it almost looks like a small red fortress, standing at the end of the main street and giving Jianshui a very strong historical feeling